Greetings, my dear students. Today I have brought the question paper of board exam, grade 12 compulsory English 2077. And I have solved the questions for you. And due to Corona pandemic, in the year 2077, out of 100 marks, board took the exam of 40 marks in written, and the remaining was the criteria. There was different criteria for the remaining marks. And here I have brought the question with the solution for you. And it was full marks 40. First question number 1 is a passage. Read the following passage and answer the questions that follow. And here is the question. And I'm not going to read the passage. Here is the passage you can read. After reading the passage, you need to answer the questions that follow. And here is the question. What was the attractive theory about? The attractive theory was about the hidden place in space. What do you mean by reviewing the heavens? Reviewing the heavens means looking into space with the help of telescope. Similarly, question number 2, answer any 3 of the following questions. 3 into 3 equals to 9 marks. And these questions were from the heritage of words. A, why does the acute sense of hearing later become unbearable and lead the narrator to confess his crime? And this question is from the story, The Telltale Heart. In the story, The Telltale Heart, the narrator has an acute sense of hearing. He is hypersensitive to hearing. He kills the old man because he does not like his vulture-like eyes. After killing him successfully, he hides the dead body, the body parts, under the planks. But he hears the tick-tick sound of the wristwatch of the old man and thinks that his heart is beating and he is alive. This acute sense of hearing makes him confess his crime. So here is the short answer. And question number B. Briefly analyze the story Hansel and Gretel from socio-economic perspective. The story Hansel and Gretel portrays the social and economic condition of Europe of that time. Poverty and hunger were common in the society. The poor woodcutter's family was a victim of famine, food crisis, and starvation. So Hansel and Gretel were left in the forest in order to let them to survive were there by eating fruits and nuts. 2 classes of society are shown in the story. The witch possesses a lot of wealth, who represents capitalist. On the other hand, the woodcutter's family represents working class. And this is solved answer for you. Question number C. What was the business policy of Lydia Pinkham, women's business? Answer. Lydia Pinkham was a leading businesswoman of America. Her business policy was different from her male counterparts. She adopted a policy of advertising her products. It should be she. She adopted a policy of advertising her products. She used female faces to advertise the products. She served her customers with products always, as well as service of advice on health, sanitation, childcare, etc. She established department of counseling to her customers. She helped her women customers by providing them with free services to solve their problems. And this is the short answer. Next question is, what makes the old pensioner lament in his old age? Give at least 3 reasons from the poem The Lamentation of the Old Pensioner. The old pensioner laments in his old age He laments on some things that he lost. When he was young, he had many lovers who loved him very much, but now he is all alone. His chair would be always in front while discussing on love and politics. But now no one talks to him. He lost his beautiful youth. Time made him old. And here are some questions from grammar section. Question number 3, change the following remarks using supposed to. They say it's unlucky to walk under a ladder. Answer, it is supposed to be unlucky to walk under a ladder. B, apparently Maldives is slowly sinking into the sea. Answer, Maldives is supposed to be slowly sinking into the sea. C, they say dinosaurs lived for many years. Answer, dinosaurs are supposed to have lived for many years. D, people say he was born in Lumbini province. Answer, he is supposed to have been born in Lumbini province. Let's go to question number 4. Choose one of the verbs in the list to report each of the remarks below. Urge, beg, suggest, promise, recommend. A, I can't tell you how important it is for you to give up smoking. Answer, he recommended me to give up smoking. B, you have got to lend me the money. Oh, please, please. Answer, he begged me to lend him the money. C, why don't you paint the wall yellow? Answer, he suggested me to paint the wall yellow. D, question number D, I will buy you a bike if you pass grade 12. Answer, he promised to buy a bike for me. Question number 5, change the sentences below using must, can't, and might, may, whichever is correct. Example is here. Perhaps he was tired. He may have been tired. And the question is A, I'm sure he is not from Cyprus. Answer, he can't be from Cyprus. B, perhaps he was reading. He may have been reading. Perhaps Dakota wrote that poem. Dakota may have written that poem. Obviously, she passed the entrance. She must have passed the entrance. Now, 6th number is write a short paragraph. Write a short paragraph about your visit to a new place, 5 marks. It's a paragraph writing. And here is the answer. Last year, I visited Pokhara. I stayed there for 3 days. It was a rare experience to me as I come from far western Nepal. I went to Pokhara with my friends. We caught a night bus from Dhangari. After traveling 17 hours, I got to my destination. We visited some beautiful locations around Pokhara. We enjoyed boating in Feva Lake. We also enjoyed paragliding from Sarankot. We did some shopping at Lakeside. We had a great time. Pokhara is a blend of natural beauty and modernity. Actually, I realized that once is not enough. So it is a short paragraph for 5 marks. And the last question is question number 7, write a letter. It's a letter writing. Write a letter to your father requesting him to send you money for various purposes like college fee, tuition fee, hostel fee, or for the language class. 10 marks. Answer starts here. Birauta, Pokhara, 31st July 2021. Here is a letter. Letter to father. Dear father, I'm fine here with the grace of God and your blessings. I hope you are also fine there along with all family members. How is my little sister? Convey my love and sweet remembrance to her. I miss you all. I miss all of you a lot. Father, I'm doing hard labor in my study. I'm paying a lot of attention to my lectures. I'm preparing for upcoming examination. All my friends here in hostel are quite friendly, helpful, and honest. Don't worry about this. But Father, as you know, we have not paid hostel fee, tuition fee, and college fee for 3 months. And the college authority has asked to pay all dues before the examination. Therefore, I would like to request you to send rupees 20,000 through IME as soon as possible. I will pay the fees and focus on my study. I know it is not easy for you to manage such amount in a short time, but we have no option. I will come home as soon as the examination is over. Looking forward to hearing from you, your loyal son. So this is the end. So last year in 2077, I have already told you exam was conducted by board exam of 40 marks only, because that was the condensed course. But this year in 2078, examination will be conducted with full marks 100. Okay, don't be confused. Full marks will be 100. So I hope this little effort of mine will be helpful to you and you will do well in your exam. So best of luck for your exam and thank you very much.